If you're coming to Thailand for a few days, let's say to perform at a concert, speak at an event, install equipment, or work a trade show booth, do you still need permission from the Thai government? The answer is yes. But the good news is that there's a solution whether you're a backup singer for Taylor Swift or making emergency repairs to equipment your company installed here. Now, many people assume that because they're only here for a few days, they don't need or can't get a work permit. In this video, I'll explain Thailand's special 15-day work authorization, who qualifies, and what documents you'll need. I'm also going to explain the consequences if you're caught working here without this permit, which can be severe, so stick around to the end. Now, in order to protect the Thai labor force, the government defines work here very broadly, and you must ask permission to do any form of work. For those of us working here full-time, that means a proper visa and a work permit issued by the Department of Labor. However, the government recognizes that many folks come here for a week or two for trade shows, concerts, speaking engagements, or to bring their technical expertise to repair industrial equipment. In these cases, Thailand has a special provision for foreigners to perform urgent and necessary work that can be completed within 15 days. Now, to be given permission, the foreign worker files a WP-10 notification with the Department of Employment before beginning work. Whether the work qualifies as urgent and necessary is determined by the government on a case-by-case basis. So who typically is approved for this work permit? Musicians and entertainers performing a short series of shows, guest speakers at conferences, technical specialists repairing or installing equipment, film crews on short productions, foreign exhibitors or event organizers at convention, trade show representatives demonstrating products, engineers or technicians responding to equipment failures. Now, a common example is someone flying into Bangkok for a 5-day medical conference to operate a manufacturer's exhibition booth or demonstrate specialized equipment. Another is a band like Taylor Swift coming to Thailand for 3 performances before returning home or maybe to Europe. However, if you're routinely consulting or engaged here on some technical basis, this generally would not qualify simply because each of your stays is under 15 days. So if you think this applies to a future trip to Thailand, what documents will you need to complete the process? While every case is a bit different, you'll typically need a completed WP-10 form, a copy of your passport size photographs, an invitation letter explaining why the work is necessary, and company and VAT registration documents from your Thai host. Now, another bit of good news is that applications are generally processed quite quickly, often within 1 business day once all required documents are submitted. Also, rest assured that you don't need a visa to get work authorization. This means you can arrive here visa exempt if you're coming from the US, UK, the EU, and many other countries. The government filing fee is quite modest, typically just a few hundred baht or about $10. Now, many companies engage Thai consultants or law firms to prepare the application correctly, especially if the company is regularly engaging performers or hosting exhibitions or conferences. So let's talk about the consequences if you don't ask permission to work here. This is where people can really get into trouble. As I said, Thailand defines work very broadly. So if you're providing services, performing on stage, earning any income, or carrying out activities for a business in Thailand, immigration authorities will consider that work, even if you're only here for 1 day. Working without proper authorization can result in significant fines, detention, deportation, and being barred from re-entering Thailand for quite a long while. You could also have problems obtaining future Thai visas or work permits. And don't assume, please, that no one will notice. Concerts, conventions, sporting events, and public performances are often scrutinized by Thai authorities. So if you think you may be subject to Thai labor laws, or you're regularly bringing folks here to work temporarily, we'd be happy to host a free consultation with a member of our Thai legal team and answer any of your questions. You can always reach us at hello@btisolutions or by clicking on the link below. Hey, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons for more updates about Thailand and how to make Thailand home.